Welcome to the highest paying affiliate programs tool to find winners fast. If you're tired of wasting hours hunting for affiliate programs, this tool instantly finds the highest paying winners in literally minutes. I've been an affiliate now for like between 15 to 20 years, since like 2008, for a long time. And I wish I would have had something like this back in the day that would help me, find affiliate programs, save me a lot of time, because you're always searching for high ticket affiliate programs, looking for blog posts, and your favorite bloggers, your favorite YouTube videos, whatever it may be, to find high ticket affiliate programs. I know people use blogs less and less these days, but everyone still uses them in one way, shape, or form. Anyways, one thing that'll never go away is finding, if you're an affiliate or you're looking to make money online, is finding lucrative affiliate programs to promote that are related to whatever it is you're promoting, whatever your niche is. And that's what this tool is going to do. And it's going to do it literally in seconds. I'm going to show you how to do this, and this is it's going to save you a lot of time, energy, and hopefully make you a lot of money by picking the right ones. So there's 4 little boxes here. You got niche, commission type, affiliate network type, other niche, or special request. All you got to do is pick your category. You can see all the categories they got here: business and marketing, SaaS, which is software as a service, health and fitness, and you can read the screen here, so I don't got to read through all of them. And if your niche is not there, you can, no big deal. You can, we're going to pick business marketing for this tutorial. Commission type. You got high ticket recurring, CPA, which is cost per action, or one-time payout. We're going to do high ticket. Affiliate network type. You can choose private program, like private affiliate program. Affiliate marketplace, which is like ClickBank or the CJ.com, Amazon, whatever. SaaS, tech partner, or open to anything. I like picking open to anything. Covers all your bases. Then you got other niche or special request. And we're going to tell them, make sure the affiliate programs are highly rated and pay $100 plus. I know that's not high ticket, but it's decent. Up to thousands. So we'll get a mix of, medium to high ticket affiliate offers here. All you do is click submit here. And we're going to wait for the AI to work its magic. It usually takes about 10 seconds. And took less than that. Look how nice this is right here. Now you got ClickFunnels, 40% recurring, up to 1,000 per sale. Sales funnel software for marketers. Rating 5 stars. Kajabi, 30% recurring, 1,000 per sign up. Platform for creating and selling online courses. HubSpot, and I can verify these do pay up to that amount. 20% recurring, 1,000 per sale. Marketing, sales. Now these are going to give you estimates. They're not dead on, but they're pretty close. Always go do your due diligence and go to each affiliate program to double check. But it's going to give you a ballpark figure and give you these good affiliate programs where you don't have to go out searching for them. And it's going to put them on a nice list like they're doing right here for us. Program name Teachable, 30% per sale, 200 per sign up. And it tells you a description, online course creation and selling platform. Samcart, 40% per sale. And I'm pretty sure they pay more than what they got here. But it's giving you an estimate, like I said. 200 per sign up. A lot of these affiliate programs have different packages that you can promote. So it depends on what you're promoting through them. Builderall, 100% on sale, $50 per sign up. Thinkific, 30% recurring, 1,000 per sale. And it tells you description and gives you a rating of all these. Google these program names to find their sign up pages and start applying today. So all you're going to do is just go to ClickFunnels, type in ClickFunnels affiliate page, type in Kajabi affiliate page, HubSpot affiliate page, Teachable, yada, 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 so on and so forth. And it should come up in the first 3 results. And just click that link, go on over and sign up. I didn't want to put the links in for this tool because it's going to give a lot of the links won't be working. So I don't want to, do that. So no links, but it's going to give you a name. And all you got to do is put affiliate program in the end, Google it, or use AI, whatever you want to do, and sign up for the affiliate program. We're going to try this one more time. And what we're going to do here is refresh this page. And we're going to do this one more time. I'm going to give you another demo here with a different niche. And we're going to go with supplements and nutrition. We'll do that. Commission type. We'll do CPA, one-time payout. Affiliate network type. Open to anything. Give me a list of high-paying, reputable. Let me spell this right. Affiliate programs in this niche. Or you can put high ticket affiliate programs. Whatever you want to do, you got the choice. Click submit. And we're going to wait for the AI to work its magic, same as before. And it's going to come up with a new list for you in this specific category. BioTrust, 50% up. Description, high quality nutritional supplement and health products. Rating, 5 stars. Organifi, 30% per sale, $40, and then you get approximately $40 per sale. Nutrafol, 40% up. Thrive Market, 25% up. Perfect Keto, 30% per sale, approximately $20 per sale. Garden of Life tells you the stats. Athletic Greens, that's popular. I've heard of that all over the place. $35 per sign up, and it's got the ratings. Google these affiliate program names to find their sign up pages and start applying today. But that's all you need to do. This is going to save you a lot of time, energy, and you don't got to go over to Google, look through blogs, look through videos, all that stuff. You can always do that stuff. But this is, if you want a quick list and go to sign up for affiliate programs, this is a tool to use. It's going to save you a lot of time doing that research yourself manually, which takes a lot of time. If you've done it before, you know what I'm talking about. But that's it. Awesome tool. And like I said, if you want to use it again after you use it once, you want a different result, you want to put something else in the boxes, add more info, get different results, feel free to come over and mess with this because you got a bunch of different categories. You want to put in high ticket, recurring, whatever you're looking for, this tool will do it. So very helpful. It's going to save you a lot of time, like I said. If you want to check this out for yourself, the link's directly below in the video description box, available at instantsalesfunnels.com. But the link will be there. And then make sure you grab my 20 other secret AI tools top marketers don't want you to have free by clicking that link there. And let me know where to send them. But thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, shoot me some questions or comments in the video description below. And I'll be glad to answer them for you. And enjoy using this tool. It's fun, and it's going to save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.